Hey, welcome to GiveMeApps here at Mall, the #1 independent app store. Today we're checking out Numo Math Buddy Tutor. This is by Andrew Sari for the iOS platform. That's the iPhone and the iPad. Guys, we're excited about this app, not just because, as the name implies, it is a math tutor buddy. You can try out different math problems. First, they're going to ask you to set your grade level. You can see right here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll see this when you start up the app for the first time. You can see our name there. They're going to ask you for your name. And of course, we named ourselves GiveMeApps after our site. We're missing the E over there, but ignore that for now. You can see here that it says stars, solved, and streak. You can also go for Numo Premium. That is a paid feature that'll give you unlimited access, and there is a fee for that. But never mind that for now. We're going to take a look at some of what the app has to offer. Saying this straight from listing, make math click. If you're stuck on homework, don't just find the answer, learn how to solve it. Build confidence. Everything that a parent wants. There's also a parent side of the app, a parent-facing side. You can complete grades 3 to 8 math. Now, there's a lot to discuss, but I want to talk about this. This is what I'm most excited about. It says that it can actually help you with your math problems. Let's say if your teacher gives you homework, well, you can take a photo of that and it will help you solve the problem. So just to test this out, we looked for some free math worksheets online, and this is simple addition of different problems. We're going to test that out. And again, there are a lot of features to discuss, but we're going to really be focusing on that because that is what excites me the most. Just so you know, multiplication and division, fractions and decimals, ratios and percents, negative numbers, geometry, area, perimeter, and volume, expressions and equations, exponents, coordinate plane, linear functions, and much, much more. Now, we're not going to do all of that in this video because that would take a very long time. But we're going to show you guys around. Here's the main screen. When you look at your profile, you have the premium that we spoke about earlier, the grade choice, your daily goal. You can go for 5 math problems, 10, 15, or 20. We're going to go with 5 for now to keep this video on the shorter side. You have your sound effects. You can toggle that on and off. And you have your badges, your 10 club, solve 10 problems, 50 solved. So it's like benchmarks, milestones, 3-day streak, week warrior, star collector, and the parent dashboard. We're going to bring this closer to the camera so you can see it better. We're going to focus on in, because we're a little far, but just so you know, again, you have your grade level. You can see our name there. You have your daily goal, the sound effects, the badges that we spoke about, and at the bottom you see the parent dashboard. We're going to show you that very quickly. You need to put a pin in. We're going to take this away from the camera because we set up a pin. It's going to ask you to confirm that pin. And this is what you'll see with regards to the parent dashboard. You can see there, you have problems this week, weekly accuracy, the 7-day activity. You have a graph there, monitor, learning level. You can see where your kid is at. Your power-ups on grade, +1 grade, +2 grades, a challenge. We're going to go back to our main screen here and get out of the parent dashboard. And there we are. So we're going to show you some other things. Again, we're closer to the camera so you can see it a bit better. That's the bottom menu. Here we have the arcade. You have some cool games, Number Ninja, Fraction March, and Closer Wins. You have the skill map. Take a look at that. You have your place value, multiplication, division, fractions, decimals, ratio and percent, negative numbers, coordinate plane, the things that we spoke about earlier, volume, angles, exponents, linear functions. You have quite a bit to discuss here with number sense. You have ones, tens, and beyond. Moving on, you have the snap a problem. That's what we're most excited about. You can take a photo or take a photo from your gallery, or you can even type in the problem and it'll say, want to try it yourself? First, optional, your answer. And that brings us back to the home screen, which we spoke about earlier. You see some of our stats there. Start your streak this week, snap a problem, your daily goal. So pretty much all the features of the app are accessible from this front-facing screen. That's what you're going to see when you first get in. We're going to bring this down back to the table so we are a little more comfortable moving around in the app and navigating. We're going to focus back on in, and that should be good, it looks like. And here we go. We're going to start using the app. So let's take a look at start your streak. We chose the 3rd grade level just to keep this video nice and short. So let's go. Let's start your streak. What is 4 times 6? So those are your answers right there, 24, 18, 30, 28. Obviously, that would be 24. But let's select the wrong answer to see what it says. Let's go with 28. All right, let's check it. You picked 28. So I did this on purpose because, your child might do that. And it gives you the option to try it again. So we're going to select a wrong answer one more time. All right, let's check it. You have all that information there. It shows you the count up there. We'll do it one more time. All right, a tile floor is 5 tiles by 6 tiles. How many tiles is that? All right, we're going to select our wrong answer again. Let's go with 36. All right, you pick 36. This is how we learn. Keep going. All right, and so what is 1/3 plus 2/3? We're selecting wrong answers on purpose. All right, so There we go. See, let's check it. Your answers are just practice. GiveMeApps. All right, so a square tile has a side of 7 centimeters. What is the area? And so you know what the area is supposed to be. All right, now you tell us, what is the area? What is the area? All right, we're selecting wrong answers on purpose, but there you go. When you get a correct answer, you get that right there, right? Session complete, 20% correct. All right, so again, please do not be offended that we're choosing wrong answers. We're trying to show you what would happen. Maybe your son or your daughter is practicing. Maybe you're practicing. This is the experience. So we clicked on done. All right, that's your power up. You can select the problem, your 1-day streak. We're going to go back. What is 2 times 7? We'll select correct answers this time. A movie ticket costs $9. How much do 7 tickets cost? So of course, you're doing 9 times 7. We'll go with that. All right, another correct answer. What is 56 divided by 7? All right, and so we're going to select that, and we have 3 correct answers. And there we go. What is 2/3 of 12? Of course, you're going to divide that by 3. All right, and so there we go. And so we selected the wrong answer on purpose. All right, we're showing you guys a smorgasbord of things. What is 14 divided by 7? All right, we're going to go with that. All right, so 80% correct this time. And so you see how that works. So you can go with your streak. And let's take a look here. Continue learning, fractions, place value, multiplication. All right, you can go on with just that. A notebook has 9 pages of stickers with 6 stickers each. How many stickers are there? You tell us. All right, there's the correct answer. What is 3 times 5? There it is. All right, what is 2 times 7? There it is. Now, what is 4 times 8? And we know what the answer to that is. All right, let's go with that. All right, and it's giving you way more. What is 4 times 3? These are all multiplication problems. What is 2 times 8? There we go. What is 6 times 9? All right, so you can have your child focus on just one aspect of mathematics. And there we go. What is 4 times 3? All right, so now you see that it says the session is complete with 100% correct. We're going to focus this so you can see that a bit better. All right, and you can tap on done. All right, so this would be the experience. Again, you can select one of those different categories. You have fractions, you see there, place value, or multiplication. We chose multiplication just because of the fun component there. And you can play those quick games that we showed you earlier. Now, when you go to the arcade, which was there, you see it says play. Let's show you one of these games. We're not going to show you everything because that's the whole purpose of us doing an overview. So you guys get a taste of what it's like, and then you can check it out yourself. So we're going to go with Number Ninja. Let's see what that's all about. All right. Tap the correct answer before the bar runs out. 3 lives. Build a streak for bonus points. We're bringing this close to the camera so you can see it a bit better. Start. All right. 5 plus 5. There we go. All right. 9 plus 7. Let's go. 4 plus 4. All right. 3 plus 4. All right. 5 plus 6. 2 plus 7. Where are we? There we are. 7 minus 3. All right. 2 plus 2. All right. 7 plus 5 is what? 8 minus 2. You're going to keep going. 8 minus 4. All right. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3. You can keep going. 9 minus 5. All right. Let's see what happens when the bars run out. And all right. So you got another chance there. All right. 6 minus 6. 5 minus 4. All right. 3 minus 3. 6 plus 3. Now you can go on and on and on and on. Let's see what happens if the bars run out. You have 1 life there. And game over, 412 points. So that's pretty cool. A nice little arcade opportunity there. Now, we spent a lot of time doing all the following. We're not going to do everything here because, again, that would make the video really, really long. We're almost at 10 minutes already. I want to go for what I'm really excited about, and that is using the camera to snap a problem. So let me just put this back on the table here. Okay, we're going to focus back on out. Or focus in, rather. All right, there we go. Nice and clear. So this is a math sheet that I picked up off of the internet. We should give credit to where it comes from. It says havefunteaching.com. All right, and you can see a bunch of different addition problems here. All right, you can see that pretty well. All right, now we're going to snap a photo of that. We're going to use the camera here. It says camera. All right, and we need to access the camera. We're going to allow the access to the camera. We're going to place this sheet on the table. Okay, and let's see what happens. We'll snap the photo. 1, 2, there it is. All right, we're going to use that photo. Okay. All right, let's see what happens. All right, or type your problem. So we didn't take the best picture here, but you can see that the math problems on the bottom did pop up pretty well. So let's test that out and see if it works well. Let's see. Ask Numo. Now it's thinking. All right, let's focus in so you can see it a bit better because it was out of focus for a little bit there. All right, that's a bit clearer now. There we go. All right, so, okay, it says we need to add 25 and 23 and 25 together. So it actually did pick up the second row pretty well. I'm looking at the paper right now. So show me one step. So it walks you through the process, all right? So just so you know, it says 23 and 25. I want to show you that it did actually pick up the paper. That was number 6. You can see right there. It says 23 and 25. Let me show you that one more time. You can see right there that number 6 on this sheet is 23 plus 25, all right? It's a little out of focus. I don't want to keep playing with the focus ring so we can focus on the screen, all right? So let's go along with this. Show me one step, okay? All right. First, let's add the numbers on the ones place, or in the ones place. That's 3 plus 5. Count them. 3 plus 5 makes 8. All right. This is pretty exciting because, again, you know, your child now, or you have another opportunity, or rather another tool, another resource to help you get better at math. So let's go with the next step. Okay. We're going to focus in a bit better so you can see it better there. All right, we need to add 23 and 25 together. The second step says add the tens. Next, let's add the numbers in the tens place. That's 2 plus 2. Count them up. 2 plus 2 makes 4. And we can go with the next step. Put it all together. Now we put our tens answer and our ones answer together. We have 4 tens and 8 ones. We can then tap to reveal the answer. And 48 is the answer. 23 plus 25 is 48. Guys, this is pretty impressive. The power of the app. Now, we're 12 minutes in. I really wanted to spend time with this app. I don't want to go beyond because this video will go on and on and on. But you see that this app is worth its weight in gold. You can take advantage of the streak feature here where you can keep doing math problems to get better at it. Practice makes perfect. Or you can snap your homework and have it walk you through it. And I like the fact that it walks you through the process and doesn't just give you the answer directly. You could get the answer, but the idea here is that it can walk you through the steps, which is very, very nice. Again, you have your skill map. Take a look here. You can see we have 4, it says here. Rather, you see the progress meter because we did some of these things earlier, right? And again, you have the arcade, and you have your stats there. Now we're on grade 3. We see our daily goal of 5 has been met. And yeah, this is Numo Math Tutor Buddy. We like this app a lot. Do check it out. Back to school. We're in that season. School is going to start in about 8 weeks or so for most people across the country. Or if you're in other states, we're in New York, for example, you may start at the end of August. So it's right around the corner. Do check this out. This would be a great tool to use over the summer to get your kid ready or in math mode. Check it out. Numo Math Tutor Buddy. We recommend this app. We mean that sincerely. Do check it out. There is a fee for the premium features, but if you're looking for another tool in the arsenal of your educational resources, I highly recommend it. We at GiveMeApps highly recommend this. Guys, we hope you enjoyed this as much as we did. GiveMeApps is the world's #1 independent app store. Download apps for any platform, Android, iOS, you name it, you'll find it. We're also the only app store on the planet where developers can keep the full 100% of their download sales. Once again, GiveMeApps. This is Numo Math Tutor Buddy. This is by Andrew Sari. Do check it out. It is for iOS. Hopefully, it'll expand to Android at some point. We hope so. It's a great tool. Guys, till next time.